weight gain, especially around the midsection, is one of the first signs of a severe condition called metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a combination of diseases and/or symptoms that leads to serious health consequences like cardiovascular disease, stroke, and hypertension. So these symptoms include elevated cholesterol levels, and here we need to include triglycerides as well, a disturbed glucose metabolism and raised insulin, an underactive thyroid, hypertension, and weight gain. If you have 3 out of these conditions, you will be classified as a patient with metabolic disease, and this should be treated as a matter of urgency.